John Coyle from Ballance Agri-Nutrients. We're here at the Morrinsville site trying the new Hyundai 955 wheel ladder. Yeah, so the 955 seems to test up fairly well. Lots of improvements from the 757-9. You got more visibility in the cab, electronics are laid out a lot easier for the operators to understand and use. The diff lock is a great feature, climbs out piles pretty well. The lift up bonnet is a good advantage. Yeah, overall I think it's a good machine. Lots of improvements on the Dash 9, so yeah, that's good.